So there is first number 637 multiply 5. How we find this result? So by orally, when we do orally without any written work, first we multiply from the left side orally. So 6 is there on left side 100 place. So 6 5 ja 30, that is 3000. 100 place is 6, so it is 600 into 5. 600 into 5 is 3000. So we put in our mind 3000. 3 then 30. So 3000 we put in our mind. Now 3 5 ja, this is tens place, so it is 30. So 30 5 ja 150. So it is now 3000 plus 150. So 3150. Now this is 35. So 3150 plus 35. So 185. 3185. So this is the shortcut method by which we can do many questions. Similarly, 4 multiply 862. So 800 multiply 4, because place value of 8 is 800. So 800 4 ja 3200 or 3200. 3200 plus this is tens place 60. Its place value is 60. So 60 multiply 4 240. 240 we add in the 3200. So what we get? 3200 plus 240. 3440. 3440 plus 4 to the 8. So it is 48. So in this way, this is the Vedic maths we can do multiply. Next problem is, it is 900. 9's place value is 900. 900 into 6, it is 5400. 5400 put in mind. Now this is 50, place value is 50. 50 into 6 is 300. 300. So 5400 plus 300, it is 5500. 5500 plus 7 6 ja 42. 5542. That is written as 5542. This is the answer. In copy work, we start from right side. Look, 637 multiply by 5. Start from right side, right digit. Now 5 7 ja 35, 3 carry. Now 5 3 ja 15 plus 3 18, 1 carry. 5 6 ja 30 plus 1 31. So 3185, we get the same answer. But when we do orally, we start from left side, 100 place, because there is 3 digits, so it has 100 place. Now next one is 100 multiply 6. This is one's place value is 100. 100 multiply 6, it is 600. So 600. Now put in mind, next is 80. This 8's place value is 80. So 80 into 6, 8 6 are 48. So 480. 480 plus 600, it is 1080. 1080. 1080 plus 8 6 are 48. So it is 1128. 1128. Similarly, 600, its place value of 6. So 600 into 9, 6 9 is 54. So 5400. Its second 6 place value is 6 9 is 54. So 540. 540 plus 5400. So 5940. 5940 plus 63. 7 9 is 63. Its answer is 6003. So next 5 problem similar to these ones are next 5 problem are 670 multiply 4. Next is 490 multiply 3. Next is 862 multiply 5. Next is 691 multiply 3. Next is 554 multiply 7. These 5 problems you can do now. Now question number this 670 multiply 4. So how we do orally? Orally we start from this hundreds place digits. So its place, it's this 6 has 600 as place value. 600 4 ja 6 4 ja 24. So 2400. 600 4 ja is 2400. We put in our mind 2400. Now next is tens place digit is 7. So its place value is 70. 70 into 4. So 7 4 ja 28. So 70 into 4 is 280. 4200 is in our mind, 2400 is in our mind, and next is 280. So 2400 plus 280, it is 2680. 2680 plus 0 4 ja 0. So 2680 is the answer. Now come to second. Now there is again 0 on one place. It's very easy now. Now 400. 4 place value is 400. So 400 into 3. So 4 3s are 12. So 1200. Answer is 1200. 400 into 3 is 1200. 1200 put in mind. This 9 has place value 90. 90 multiply 3 is 270. 270 plus 1200. 270 plus 1200 is 1470. Next is 800 place value is 8. So 800 into 5. So 8 5 is 40. So put 20 extra. So 8000. 8000 put in mind. Now 6 place value is 60. 60 5 is 300. So it is 4300. 4300. Now 5 to the 10. 4310. 4310. Next is 691 3 ja. So 600 into 3 is 1800. 1800 put in your mind. Now 90. This 9 has place value 90. So 90 into 3 270. 90 into 3 270. So 1800 plus 270 is 2070. 2070 plus 3 1 ja 3. 2073. Next is 554 multiply 7. So we start from left side. 500 is place value of this 5. So 500 into 7 is 3500. 3500 put in mind. Now 5 7 ja 35. So 3 its place value is 50. So it is 350. 3500 plus 350 3850. 3850 plus 7 4 ja 28. 3850 plus 28. So 3878 is the answer. Now look first one. 578 multiply 9. So this 5 is 500 is place value. So 5 9 is 45. So it is 4500. 500 into 9 4500. Put in mind 4500. Now this 7 its place value is 70. So 70 into 9. 7 9 is 63. So 630. 5400 plus 630 is 6030. 6030 plus 8 9 is 72. 6030 plus 72 is 6402. 4500 plus 630. 4500 plus 630 plus 72 it is 5202. 5202 is the answer. Next is 184 multiply 7. So 100 into 7 is 700. Put in mind. Now 80 into 7, we are using place value, so 80 into 7, 8 7 is 50, 560, 100 plus 700 plus 560, it is 1260, 1260 plus 28, 1260 plus 28, 1288. So answer is 1288. Next is 214 multiply 7. So 200 multiply 7, it gives us 1400. Put in mind. Now 10, this is place value 10, so 10 into 7, 70. 1400 plus 70, 1470. 1470 plus 4 7 are 28. 1470 plus 28, it is 1498. Next is 807 multiply 9. So 800 multiply 9 is 7200. Now 0 we remove. Next is 63. 7 9 is 63. So 7263. 7263. Next is 814 multiply 8. So 800 multiply 8 is 6400. 6400 it put in mind. Now 10 into 8 80. 6480 plus 32. 6400 plus 80 plus 32, so 6512.